Wednesday, September 30th, 2015. Today, carry plenty action, sake of saying, if you check the Nigerian political arrangement, the month of September supposed to be the month where we say we go see the light. But it can't be like, say, as this month one day end, so they promise when they give us, they don't go fulfill them or make we still wait. My name na Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as it take concern politics matter as in the hot.
Good morning, our viewers, and welcome to As the Hot. And Chukwudi be dropping somewhere. And waiting with this promise we the anticipate what they wait for. Our God President promised us say before the end of September, say the ministers you go at least you go bring out the ministers list. We go know who be minister of waiting, who be minister of waiting. Now that list we see they wait for, and today now the deadline by 11:59 p.m. If we never see list or we never see say they don't appoint or they don't bring out this in, then we feel they ask question. They ask questions, say, waiting go wrong. So we still wait. The program now As the Hot, and my name never change. My name now Nkubi.
We dey tell you say this program, now the only democracy when they on top of television. Sake of say all the talk when we say other people know they agree talk or they use side mouth talk. We dey drop and make everybody put mouth for inside the matter because all this talk they very very important as it go move our country forward. Make we break them down, make everybody understand. Yes. On the 29th of May, when Oga Presido take the oath of office and oath of allegiance, plenty people come and talk, say, they won't see the plan when he get to move this our country forward based on all the promises when we say himself and the All Progressives Congress drop for down during the electioneering campaigns. People come talk say, you go need to achieve all these things with ministers. But Oga President come and talk say, if anybody they wait, make him name ministers as soon as possible. Say they will be on a long thing. Because first and foremost, he won't carry broom, clean all the old cobwebs when they inside the different corner, inside this our Nigerian political arrangement, so that when these ministers then come, they go see the way forward. People come ask and say, when exactly be the date? He come and talk say, for Amo, no be as soon as possible. They come ask in talk person, Oga Femi Adesina. That one come talk say, in the fullness of time. As Oga President travel out of this country, they come ask him outside again, say, when? He come say, in the month of September. People come tie wrapper, cross leg, carry chewing stick, they wait. September 1, September 10, September 20. Today, don't be September 30. Now, waiting within a deadline day. Whether he go carry the ministerial list, whether na full or na bacho, go give House of Senate today. People, they wait. If you not give them, share all these promises when they come promise, we go achieve them for this government. Nkubi, over to you.
Hello.
No, it's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter because no. It's not a laughing matter because Nkubi. Then they talk say that from class. Now we dey know how dance go dey. Now the thing don't set. Oga President talk say based on the way when this our system dey, people wey be say don't become ministers. Some of them nobody work when they put them there and they do. So he want allow make things dey okay before he put ministers. But Nkubi, did he promise September or not? He did. Nkubi, is today September 30th or not? It is. Nkubi, where the ministerial list? Are we on is coming or we dey wait? No, you go answer the question. You must answer the question.
You ask, you put up issue. Instead of make me and you do the normal way they do by looking into the issue. You come they throw to me, they make me feel that I be the guilty one in this case.
It's not about being guilty.
No,
you must speak the truth.
Don't present
you
that.
must tell Nigerians the truth.
When we still get barely how many hours to go?
Barely how many hours?
How many hours? 30 don't finish. No, since September day. What I talk when I open this program, we open this program. I say if 11:59 p.m. never knock. If he don't knock, I will never see list. Nigerians can afford to do it today to ask questions. But from the body language and from the movement we don't see, we see say yes. The cost of trying to say they won't bring out these ministers, they're underway. What do they talk about?
Nkubi.
Okay. That Femi Adesina don't come and talk say, look, Nigerians, alas, men are relaxed. Things make no know. See, in fact, I guarantee and say, he even talk and say, no, I won't be surprised if Oga President go release the list on 30th. Of the last day of the month, which is today. So make we still do it, make we still simple, relax, they wait. Now wait, no ministerial list, we go see him and it no go pass today. You don't go pass today.
You don't even come they make promise when we say you know even dey sure of or you know dey aware about.
Chukwudi, I tell you say e go happen.
How you go take happen?
E go happen.
Wetin be the indication say e go happen? That's the question.
Shebi na to just tell Nigerians say Nigerians see the ministers who don appoint to who don submit ministerial list to the House of Assembly, National Assembly and all that. Wetin again? Once they don submit ministerial list to National Assembly, wetin again you wan hear of?
Okay, government wey go submit ministerial list, we suppose don dey see some kind action. Say okay, we been here about 2 weeks ago say some people show face for DSS office.
Okay, we dey talk.
Screening.
Wetin one of these headlines talk? Saraki wey be the Senate president talk say look Saraki don promise tough screening on top of ministerial
Tough
staff.
screening. Today na September 30. Now the question wey we dey talk be this.
Wetin go promise am to talk like this? If no be say something dey dey see sign say yes he wan this you. Wetin be that sign?
Make we see list first before we come dey talk of tough screening.
Okay, wait. But hold on. Tough times await a ministerial
Tough times await.
What did they talk about?
Where the people when the tough time go await? We dey talk say make we see this list, make Nigerians know.
If 11:59 don't pass,
a promise is a debt.
Don't point at me and tell me that.
A promise is a debt.
It is a debt and go now promises that go fulfill.
And today is September 30th.
So
do you want to keeping Nigerians on a long thing?
Chukwudi, September 30th don't pass.
No, this one.
September 30th don't pass. Why they make as if you don't pass? Because they raise this kind of level of voice they raise.
As Nigerians, we must keep our government on their toes.
Even if
this same thing when we say we're gonna talk say make we wait he never reach now wetin dey cause problem for this country? Councillor, local government chairman, House of Reps for Senate, House of Reps for National Assembly.
Me and you know say Oga President dey take him time. Let him take him time. If he go take the rest of his time, maybe for the rest of the hours wey remain before 11:59 p.m. today, he had the right to take his time. Okay. And the major thing say make he submit the list to the House of National Assembly. Nothing you want here. Okay. Hold on.
Nkubi, our Senate.
I'm not the guest here. Don't start asking me questions. Make me look like the guest. Let us look into this issue and address it.
Don't forget, look which issue you want to look inside. You must answer my question.
I'm not going to answer anything.
You must answer this question.
I'm not going to answer this question. What do you try to me to? I'll be your guest.
You go see him now.
Chukwudi, ask that question, answer it yourself.
I cannot answer it because it's your question.
So I'm not your guest on this program.
Because it's your question. Senate, they resumed plenary yesterday. When the thing starts, 10 a.m. When they call for say okay we go come back again today. What do you think say be the essence, be the reason why be say this our the first thing even Senate president talk am yesterday say as soon as our ministers they don't dey on ground he go even make the work of the National Assembly easier because all these our committees wey we set up instead of when they find permanent secretary or they look say okay office of the presidency they go just relate quick with the minister. And what is the minister supposed to do? The minister now, somebody when we say he believe in the values and ideals of the party, he go bring the promises of the party to bear.
Not be on this same program.
Why must we wait till September 30th?
Not be on this.
September 30th.
The reason why they
tell us make we wait until 12 midnight. Why we gonna wait until 12 midnight? At least by now we supposed to say okay, Nkubi. From wetin you even from the information wey dey get from all the corners of this country tell us some people wey dey inside this list we no know today we go see different list.
Wetin he talk say not on this same program here he talk say look e get some people wey say they don go somehow go answer go face
since when dem go answer wetin we don hear again.
But still the fact say we don see
since when dem don answer wetin we don hear again.
the fact say we don see body language the fact say we don see movement on top of this ministerial issue it is a sign say yes very very soon when you go pass today ministers list go come out wetin again you wan hear Chukwudi wetin again you wan hear.
I dey suspect say monkey hand don enter inside this arrangement.
How?
Because I dey very very sure say
Chukwudi may I ask you one question. Hold on.
No don't ask any question.
No be on
you
the same program.
Any question.
I have every right to ask you question.
When I wan ask you ask me the guest.
No be I don
ask me any question.
I don respond to your question.
You dare not ask me any question.
I don respond to your question.
You don respond to my question. You ran away from my question.
I responded to your question. I did not run away from your question.
Why must we wait till 12 midnight on the 30th of September
listen to me
before we know whether
very well
go there or not?
Chukwudi,
Nkubi,
no be on the same program. No be on the same program. You take your own man talk say make we give our president a chance.
Thank you very much.
So wait again.
Because our Oga President come out promise say Oga Femi Adesina when we say na see president siam he dey sound like who no even know wetin dey happen.
No Oga Femi Adesina come and talk say look say e dey sure say Oga President go release this list before wetin before 30th. You no go even dey surprised if he release am on that same day on that end on that deadline day.
Nkubi, how can the talk person of Oga President when we say Before if Oga President don't talk, if he talk, he go be like say Oga President talk, come and talk, say in dey sure. Listen to yourself, oh, in dey sure, say before 30th, obviously today na 30th, so before no work. Before 30th, or even on the 30th,
yes.
Oga President go release
yes.
He sure say the man no get information. He sure say he no sabi wetin dey talk. Remember say for one interview when Oga President do before he come up for New York, na him come dey talk say na him go be minister for petroleum. Okubi, must we be hearing all this thing when Oga President travel out of this country? Now when other people do interview for am, we will begin to hear. Until now, who you think say go be minister for petroleum? Now foreign news people in context say, e be like say with the way we now sector dey, na me go be minister for petroleum. Why would they hear information from here? They hear information from here. Why would not they hear straight? Let us get an official statement as regards this. He be like say some people who could be, and you know this thing. He be like say some people they won't sneak their name, enter inside that thing from backyard. But I must promise you that as Nigerians, we will keep on talking.
That is a very big lie because nothing just they come here, come they assume what you don't know. What even worry yourself?
Unkubi.
Say be like say some people on what ground?
Unkubi.
On top of waiting, the Oga President don't talk him out talk say, see nobody go decide who go become minister from.
Thank you.
Go do say. So what if that? Okay, Oga President when they come go out, they even talk say okay, he won't become minister of petroleum from outside. He has the right to say anything anywhere.
For outside.
No be today begin to hear that they talk
for
from outside. What did they there?
Unkubi.
What did they there?
If you travel out, come tell your.
Don't tell me that. I'm not.
If for village meeting you talk say you go marry second wife, what do you think say your wife go do?
It don't do you. It don't do you. Oga Chukwudi, good morning. It don't do you.
Good morning. Unkubi. Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. We must continue talking. We must continue talking.
Chukwudi.
Yeah.
Honestly, make I tell you, for this matter, you know the truth, but you don't want to talk.
Thank you.
How?
Let him talk.
Make I tell you something.
Let him talk.
When we see in the month of September?
I go store you newspaper. Let him talk.
What that one mean? What be 11:59 p.m.? What did that one come mean?
Can you imagine? Now
maybe what you want to tell Nigerians.
Now transfer
after May 29, you see they tell us 11:59 p.m. on September. Now you go bring list of ministers.
Even if as long as never even read that period.
Make I tell you something. This thing we are in for hard times. This method of governance, I don't understand the meaning.
At all.
The same thing now don't they flow down to some states in the federation.
Yes.
Imo State where we dey now, our governor as we speak no get anything on ground as per who becomes commissioner or not. This method dey very bad. Even in Imo State, as I talk to you now, the governor can appoint the speaker. I show him. He can appoint task force chairman on illegal motor parks. He can use members of House of Assembly. Come make local government head or leader for the respective local government. What is that one coming? Is that administration?
Allow him talk. Hold on.
This method is anti-democratic. It's not done anywhere in this earth. For the fact that we have waited all this long, and you are not telling us to wait till 11:59 p.m. waiting that one coming. Now administration with that one.
Okay,
the earlier the better.
The earlier the better. Thank you very much.
Yes, and anything worth doing is worth doing very well.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Oga Chukwudi, for on this same issue, as long as 30th never pass, and as long as we see the September 30th, nobody fit get any saying they do this. Say the party never release any list. Hold on. Let me get the floor.
Okay.
Let me get the floor. As long as never say he never release, nobody get any this. Can they kick against say it's supposed to release, it's supposed to release. 30th never pass. And secondly, more also refer to the issue of Imo State. See, it is the right of you people to also make request for your demand. When I carry, I got the demand wait for waiting I want. Now, governor no fit just they call short as na no want. Then I just stand there, fold down. They say okay, any way we do, we will come and set and that way. Me now also carry the waiting.
How can foreign media they tell us say our Oga President don't talk say that the petroleum minister? Foreign media, what do they do for here?
Oga Kunle, good morning. Talk to us.
Good morning. Yeah, Oga Chukwudi.
Oga Kunle, good morning, sir.
Why are these people just playing with over 200 million Nigerians?
I don't know. Tell them.
What's the meaning of that minute or this thing?
9 minutes.
If they like, they should release the list. If they like, they should just keep the list with themselves. Understand now? They don't have any plan for this country. Understand now? What's the meaning of that? They want to. So is it a surprise list? Is it a surprise list? They should just do whatever they should do. What they know that is right. Is it a surprise list? that everybody must wait the time minute to go on the 30th. If they like, they should release it. If they like, they should leave it. Understand now? Nigeria is more than all these things they are doing. I'm telling you. People are.
Hey! Okakule.
Who could be your
No.
If you say forces.
No, if you say credit finish.
No, be which credit?
If you say Okakule credit, Okakule is your credit finish.
Okakule Sala who credit finish?
Hey, I won't take that from you. And Ogagaba, where they call us that, they hear as I warn you. Mind yourself. Good morning, Ogagaba.
Yes, good morning, Okubi. How are you?
Would they fine?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what is the concern Chikudi that whether today I don't know which month be this? I will not see in September.
Oh.
Thank you very much, Ogagaba.
Now waiting the verse maybe this.
Make the verse.
Fire brigade approach.
Hold on. Talk to us.
Can you call this date October or what? We should wait until tomorrow. Meanwhile, he's mixing a lot of things. He say until Oga President go another country. He say he'll be the minister.
He has the right. He's the president.
Maybe does he know the constitutional right that Mr. President has? Okay, even though it's administrative, the thing is going well. What was that? Why is the challenging of could they say where the president will lose the
Garuba, nobody can run government in isolation. No, I do know for government. Government now for everybody. Everybody must work pari passu, hand in hand to move government forward.
Nobody go feel wrong government in isolation.
Why you mean that Oga President travel out of this country?
Fine.
Now we dey hear some kind things. How you gonna take 40 million say now you go be minister for petroleum? Are we where we dey Nigeria? Why are we in the dark?
Let them be patient. We are moving forward.
Thank you.
You not see improvement. We have fuel. Light is improving. Able to add the minister.
Don't even raise that finger for him. Don't raise that finger for him. No raise that.
Until 11 or 59, as what could be.
Oh.
Then if we do not see the list of the material,
I just feel the question.
We are going to. We have to know where we go hold the person.
Thank you very much.
For the president, that's all my contribution.
Oga Garba, thank you very, very much.
You see, let me respond to what Oga Garba
Respond.
You see, as Nigerians, we will never. I will repeat, never wait for 11:59 before we come and call the talk say the way when we don't see things for morning, he go change for afternoon or he go change for night.
Chukudi, this is how they talk. You'll be surprised. They go shock you by the time the rates go come out. Today,
Senate don't begin the
Oga again. John, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga John.
How is everything on?
We dey fine.
Chukudi.
Oga John, I don't calm down. But I'm speaking for Nigerians.
No,
you are always straight to the point.
Thank you. This man is from Cameroon. Yes. See your
Oga Nkubi.
Talk to him.
Nigeria is too big for one person to think he can manipulate the whole Nigerians. We are too many. Nobody can draw Nigeria back to the analog system. We are in the digital age.
Thank you.
We don't want to be operated like as if we are in the archives. If Oga Presido promised Nigeria that 30th of September is the deadline for his ministerial list to be out,
ministerial list to come out.
I believe we are not waiting to have ministerial list at 12 o'clock in the midnight.
Okay.
Ministerial list supposed to be out by now.
Okay.
See, Oga Nkubi, let us tell ourselves the truth. Let Oga Presido do everything he promised Nigerians that he's going to do. We don't need to be let promise and fail is we Nigerians is too tired. Is too tired. We are looking for the change that APC and Oga Presido promised us. So many things is wrong. So many things is wrong. What Nigerians is looking for, we are not getting it. That is just the truth. We are tired of all this show. The film we are watching is too much. We want to see the end of it. Let us just see whatever is going to happen. Bring back the change we are looking. Nigerians is waiting to see. That is my contribution.
Oga John, thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much for your contribution.
You know why I dey vex as I dey talk like this? As I dey speak with plenty passion.
If they vex, who they vex for? No,
Oga Obiora, may I calm down?
No, that's your vex. You go vex that your vex, so.
You go see him.
You go vex that your vex, so.
I go suspend the vex for now. You go see him. You go hear him today. Me and you.
Oga Obiora, good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi. How are you?
We dey fine.
Oga Obiora.
Chukudi, see, as I dey talk before, and I see we dey talk about until we see the change. APC win election through propaganda, and it will vex us Nigeria if they continue leading us through propaganda. If they tell us something and they do not fulfill that thing, it's propaganda. And unless they amend that way, before we begin to believe in them. This our president is old man, and all of us trust the man. And when things like this begin to happen, before we know what is happening, we lost our trust. So it would be married. Then the time of 11 until 11:59 before we believe. Don't allow somebody to fail before you tell the person that the person is going to fail. If somebody is going to fail, tell the person, look, you are going to fail, so that the person can be able to amend his ways. So this type of action is not the change you people promise us. Are you hearing me? So we want talk and do.
Okay.
Talk and do.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
For your mind, I don't speak about it.
Ogobiora, thank you very much
for that.
Ukubi, at this juncture, it is very, very clear that I'm leading.
Don't they give me results? Don't they give me results for this program? Don't they give me results? I don't want you. See, no, they give me results for this program.
Make we go break, come back, we'll come calculate.
Why you go break?
Make we go break, come back. Make we go see am.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.